Hello, everyone. Welcome to Access for Free. Now it's time to make our database user-friendly, and that's where forms come in. A form is used to enter, edit, and view data in a structured way. Instead of working directly inside the table, which can look technical and cluttered, a form gives you a clean interface designed for users. We'll create a form using the same contacts table we've been working with. To create a form, go to the navigation pane and select the contacts table so it's highlighted. Then go to the Create tab and click the Form button. Access will automatically generate a form based on the selected table. Instantly, you'll see a structured layout displaying one record at a time. At the top, you'll see the form layout, and in the main section, you'll see labels and text boxes for each field. At the bottom of the form, you'll see the navigation controls. These allow you to move between records or create new records. To add a new contact, click the New Record button in the navigation bar. Then start typing the information into the fields. Now, an important point. If you later add new fields to your contacts table, those fields will not automatically appear on this form. To include them, switch to Design View from top left corner or bottom right. In Design View, under the Form Design tab, click Add Existing Fields. From there, you can select new fields from your contacts table, or even fields from other tables, and drag them onto the form. While in Design View, you also have access to the Property Sheet, usually on the right-hand side. The Property Sheet allows you to control details like the data source, formatting, default values, size, color, and many other settings for the selected field or for the entire form. It's the heart of professional form design. You can resize, rearrange, remove fields here, or even change labels, etc., to make the form cleaner. Once you're satisfied with the layout, save the form and give it a meaningful name, such as Contact Form. Now, instead of interacting with raw tables, users can enter and manage data through a professional interface. That's all for today. If you want to learn about forms in more depth, including drop-downs, options, charts, subforms, and a whole lot more, stay connected. And if you want me to cover any topic early, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to learn about tables and queries, check our recent videos. More deep learning is coming. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.